The Proxon battery-powered belt sander, BSA, the compact problem solver for many tricky grinding jobs in business, industry and trade. The clever design of the grinding arm makes it ideal for grinding small openings, regrinding surfaces and radii, deburring, removal of rust, chamfering and much more. Even in places inaccessible to bigger and cable-bound devices. 2 operating modes can be selected. The linear belt guide at the lower edge of the grinding arm is recommended for machining flat surfaces. Round contours, on the other hand, can be processed perfectly with the unsupported top side of the belt. The versatile possibilities of the device are extended by the continuously adjustable belt speed of up to 700 meters per minute. In addition, the grinding arm can be adjusted by up to 60 degrees, maximum flexibility straight from the factory. The device head, made of solid die-cast aluminium, provides the precise support for the gear components of the indestructible angular gear and the double-bearing drive roller for the grinding belts. These are driven by a finely adjustable, powerful and quiet-running permanent magnet DC motor. The motor housing is made of glass fiber reinforced polyamide and combines an attractive shape with high stability. The pleasant yellow soft component on the underside of the casing makes it a pleasure to work with the device in any position. The finest battery technology. Powerful lithium-ion storage batteries with a respectable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts guarantee high performance and long period of use even in the most demanding applications. We have provided a practical selection of different high-grade corundum grinding belts in 3 different grain sizes for different materials and different tasks. We have a silicon carbide grinding belt in our range for particularly hard materials such as glass or ceramics. Changing the belt is really simple. The used belt is simply pushed off sideways from the guide. The new belt is put on when the grinding arm is slightly pressed in and is automatically tensioned by spring force after being released. Finished. In addition to the belt sander BSA, the scope of delivery includes a shapely and sturdy polypropylene storage case, the battery, the matching charger, and 4 grinding belts, each with 2 different grain sizes. Practical. Battery and charger must be used for all Proxon battery-powered devices. This allows uninterrupted work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour. An invaluable advantage, especially for the commercial sector. Especially interesting for customers who already have a Proxon rechargeable battery device, the BSA is also available without battery and charger. The battery-powered belt sander BSA, a strong solution provider for trade and industry, one of 6 Proxon battery-powered devices made in Europe, a system together. Proxon, tools with character.